Fox. Welcome back to our channel. Before I get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Today, we're going to do my Hot Wheels track. So we have this awesome Hot Wheel. So let me show you this. So it has a red bottom, black on top, and some blue, and a little bit of silver. And now we're gonna finally do it. Oh! Golden wheels. So now we're gonna try to do this. Oh! That was very close. It stayed on the track though. Yes! Oh wait, it came back a little. Wait. Go back. And boing! Whoa! Ooh, it got stuck. So, if you like this video, click that subscribe and turn on notifications. And we'll see you guys later. Bye! New logo! And also, peace! Woo! Bye!